What's up, guys? We are super stoked to be here
at the Electrify Expo.
This is in Irvine at the Great Park. There are a ton of electric vehicles. There are motorcycles, cars, there's skateboards.
Pretty much every electric vehicle, I think, is here, including actual cars.
Yeah, so we're gonna go around, we're gonna try to find the fastest thing that we can find. We're gonna try the weirdest thing, and there's tons of demos. So I'm super stoked about that. Can't wait to check them out. And we're just gonna show you basically everything that's at the demo. So come with us.
There's a couple of these expos. There's actually one in Austin. I think there's another one in
Florida. Yeah, it's the same expo.
Yeah,
right.
It's the same expo. It's a couple days long, so maybe check it out if it's in your area. But we're super excited to try all these different things and, maybe try something new and fall in love with something new.
So let's go check it out.